In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your mic and your guitar to be able to live stream. If you're a musician and you sing and you play guitar and you would like to live stream with both of those things, this demonstration is going to use the Zoom AMS 24. It has two inputs, so either one of these can be used for either guitar or your vocals, and then you're going to be able to send that out via the USB-C out to your phone. All right, so let me show you how to connect all that. By the way, this uses batteries, but you can also connect it via power as well. And the other important thing is that it does provide phantom power. So for your mic, so I'm using this mic. It's an XLR mic. You do need phantom power. And what I like about this device is that it gives you phantom power right there. All right, so let's connect everything, go step by step, and then we're actually gonna live stream a little bit to see how it all comes together. All right, so let's start off with the mic first. It's gonna be input 1, and this is the guitar, which is input 2. Now, if we turn this on, you're gonna see, I gotta turn on the phantom power. When we tap on the mic, we are getting a signal right there. Okay, yeah, make sure that this is on mic and line together. If you were just doing guitar, then you would just put it there and that would be all that you need, but we're doing both, so we're just gonna do that. Now, the other thing we wanna do is make sure we're on streaming, so we're gonna set that dial to streaming. Now, the other connection you need is, you're gonna need this USB-C connection right here. So we're gonna connect the USB-C onto the phone. So let's do that right now. Here is the USB-C connection. Okay. In my case, this is a regular USB, so I want to get an adapter so I can connect it to the phone. So here's this adapter. It basically just turns the USB regular to a USB-C right here. So we're going to take this. Okay, now it's going to go to your phone. Now we're ready to start the stream. Okay, so I recorded a little demo with the Zoom into the phone, which is right there. And I'm gonna put this at the end of the video so you can hear what it sounds like. The acoustic guitar and the mic connected together via the little Zoom, which is right there. And that's how it's set up. Okay, so now I am using the microphone and the guitar, so I'll connect it to the Zoom AMS 24. So let's Alright, so I'm playing just some basic chords, got the capo, and just demonstrating how the mic and guitar work together. Now you can hear me and the guitar at the same time. Okay, hope that was useful to you, and this is exactly what it sounds like when you're connected via the Zoom. Okay, just one more thing. When you're using the microphone and the guitar, when you have it set on streaming, it's coming out to 2 channels, so it's stereo, so left and right, so you can hear both your vocals and the guitar on both channels. So if that question comes up, is it stereo? Yeah, it comes out in stereo when you're streaming out, or you're just recording a video just like I'm doing now. That's exactly how it would be. All right, if you got any more questions, let me know.